Hello everyone, my name is Olivia. I live in Boston, Massachusetts, North Grafton, about an hour outside of the city. Grew up here, love it here. Have yet to visit the Regis campus, but I'm really looking forward to doing so. I've been told it's very beautiful, so we'll report back on that. My experience in nursing. Well, I've been in many different fields. Many different interests. I started my career as a pediatric home healthcare nurse, then transitioned to the medical surgical unit within a hospital for 2 years. Did a short stint in postpartum nursing, which I really enjoyed. Loved working closely with women. However, all of those opportunities and jobs were in Colorado, and I was really missing my family after being there for about 5 years. So I moved back to be closer to them, and I started taking local travel contracts within medical surgical nursing in and around New England just to be closer to my family. My program of choice is the Women's Health Nurse Practitioner track. I've always been really excited to build meaningful relationships with patients, something that I feel like I've kind of missed out on as a medical surgical nurse, in the sense that I've constantly running around. You want to have those opportunities to sit down and make connections with patients and inspire them and educate them, but there's just so much on our plates that we don't really get that. So I'm just really excited about building relationships that last, many years with my patients. I would say my weaknesses within pathophysiology is finding the right method of studying that will make the information seep in for me and be meaningful to me. I struggled with pathophysiology in undergrad, I'll have to admit. I feel like I didn't really get to discover a way of studying that helped me process the information. I would use flashcards. I wouldn't totally understand, but I could recite back. So I'm going to flip that and make it a strength and try to really utilize all the different resources that we have available to us between YouTube and the study guide and diagrams and note-taking, and then asking my fellow colleagues and nursing friends if they could explain a concept to me and hopefully make the information more meaningful and for it to truly stick instead of just reciting something back. So I'm going to make that a strength instead of a weakness. Overall career goal. I've always envisioned owning or being a part of a holistic women's clinic. I just think that would be the most idyllic place for me. I really believe wholly in holistic care. I love work. I'm excited to be working closely with women and inspiring them within the healthcare setting. So I think that would be a dream. Really passionate about it. An interesting fact about me. This is a hard one. I would say probably my family. I mean, I'm from a blended family. It's a really unique situation. My father passed away when I was 10 from colon cancer. My mom met a man who just lost his wife from colon cancer around the same time. It was just such a kismet, or whatever you want to call it, but it just, I don't know, some things in life you just can't explain. So we've been a blended family ever since. 2 step siblings and then my siblings, and we came together, and I sometimes share that as just like an inspiring and crazy scenario of life. I'm really looking forward to this class. I'm excited to understand and process pathophysiology a little bit better. Okay, bye.